Hello students, now today we are going to start the topic that is a logic gate. Logic gate. Here in this logic gate we have to study the different types of the gates. Okay, the logic it is nothing but it is a 1 or 0. Wherever we are getting the value as a 1 or wherever we are getting the value as a 0, you may say that it is in a on condition or it is in a off condition. Okay, means this one is treated as an on, 0 it is treated as an off. You may write down this 1 as a true, 0 as a false. Okay, you may write whatever where the problems according to the problems either 0 or either 1 or either true or either false. Now in this logic it has been classified into the two parts. The logic gate has been divided into the two parts. First is the basic gate and second is the derived gate. Okay students, the basic gate and the derived gate. This basic gate is again classified into a three type, that is the AND gate, second is the OR gate and third is the NOT gate. Okay. The derived gate has been classified into a two type, that is the NAND gate and second is the NOR gate. Okay. From this, the logic gate has been divided into the two types, that is the basic gate and the derived gate. The basic gate is again classified into the three types. First is the AND gate, second is the OR gate, third is the NOT gate. The derived gate, it is also called as a universal gate. Okay, it is also called as a universal gate. Why it is called universal gate? Because from these two gates we are able to design this basic gate, and that's why it is called as a universal gate. This universal gate is of a two type, that is a NAND gate and a NOR gate. Okay students, now in this AND gate, OR gate and the NOT gate, how it is going to work and what is the function of this particular AND or NOT, where it is used, by using that particular AND or NOT, how it gives you the output, how it performs, we have to see this all parts in this basic gate. The first, we will see the symbol. We will see the symbol of each gate. That is, first it is an AND gate. Here the symbol will be like this, which is having a two input. It is considered as a and B, and a one single output, that is considered as a Y. In an OR gate, here the symbol is like this. The symbol is like this with a two input A and B and a single output, that is a Y. The NOT gate, here the symbol is like this with a single input and a single output. Okay, first we will see only the basic gate, then we jump to the derived gate. In this AND gate, OR gate and the NOT gate, we have drawn the symbol. We have this A and B. In each gate, in each two gate, we have the input, that is A and B. This A and B is nothing but it is called as a variable. It is called as a variable, means whatever the variable we are going to assign, that variable we have to write down here, that is A and B. Or either if there is a three input, then you will write down the A, B and C. Okay, but as in your topic there is only the two variable, that is of our A and B, and since we have written here as a and B. Now in this you will get the logical equation. Logical equation, as this AND gate, it is used for the multiplication, and that's why you will get here as a y is equal to a dot b. The OR gate logical equation, as it is used for the addition, and that's why we will write here the logical equation for the OR gate, it is a plus b. It is a NOT gate. we are getting the inverted value, or you may say that whatever the previous, in the first topic we have studied the complement of any number. Where there is a 0, we will get the output as a 1, and where there is a 1, we will get the output as a 0. By using this particular NOT gate, we are able to perform the complement of that value, and since that gate is nothing but is a NOT gate. So here the logical equation for that, it is a is equal to a, y is equal to a y. Okay, students. Now, as per my knowledge, you should understand this one, and then we are going to start the how this A and B and A is going to be put in a tabular form. That tabular form in this particular part or topic, it is called as a truth table. Okay, the tabulation, the truth table for each AND gate, OR gate, and the NOT gate we will see. Here in this AND gate, you have the two input, that is A and B, and here there is a Y as an output. Here you will be getting, if it is an AND gate, then you will be getting the Y is equal to A dot B. Means it is a multiplication. This AND gate is used for the multiplication. That's why we are able to find the equation that Y is equal to A dot B. Okay, students. Now here, as you know that there is a two variables. So two variable, it is nothing but 2 is 4, 2 is equal to 4. Okay. Now these 4 you have to write down starting from the 0 wherever the value ends. Okay, you will get the value 0, 1, 2 and 3. From this you may say that there are the 4 values, 4 input values. Starting from 0. As you have to write down that particular 0 in the 2-bit, that 2-bit has to be written like 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. So here the table has to be get plotted, and from that particular table you are able to find out the value. What is the 0, 0? Wherever there is a multiplication, you know that wherever the value is in 0 and one value is 0, you will get the value as the answer as 0. So here 0, 0, you will be getting the value as 0. 0, 1, again 0, 1, 0, 0 and 1, 1, 1. So this is the truth table for the AND gate. Okay, you will differentiate here. Then the OR gate. This OR gate symbol I have drawn here. That is our two variable input, that is A and B, and y is equal to A plus B. Now in this truth table, it is addition. Okay. Here A, B, y is equal to A plus B. Here we have 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. It is used for the addition. This OR gate is used for the addition. Wherever the addition is to be performed by the computer or by the calculator, this IC pins is being get activated, and after activating that particular pin, you are able to take out the answer in a addition form. Okay. So 0 plus 0, you will be getting the value as a 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. Then 1 plus 1, you will be getting as a sum as a 0 and carry as a 1. That one you have to write down here. Okay, so it is a tabulation form, that is for the OR gate. Then for the NOT gate, we will getting the only one input, and since there is a one output, so the 1 means 2 raised to power 1 is equal to 2. So 0 and 1 is the value for the inputting. So here we will be getting 0, that is A is equal to 0 and Y is equal to A bar. So 0 value will be get complementary, and that's why we will be getting the value as a 1. Then A is equal to 1, then here we will be getting the value as a 0. So from this particular form, you are able to understand that how the variables A, B for the AND gate, the OR gate and the NOT gate is being plotted in the form of a tabular form. Okay. Then the IC which is used for performing all the operations in a computer or in any electronic devices, the AND gate IC which is used, that is a 7408 number IC. The IC which is used for performing the addition for the OR gate, it is nothing but it is 7432. The NOT gate IC which is used, that is 7404. So these are the three ICs which is used for the AND, OR and the NOT. Okay. These three ICs consisting of 14 pins. How many pins are there? There are 14 pins. There are 14 pins in a AND gate, that is 7408. Here also there is a 14 pin in a 7432. Here also there is a 14 pin in a 7404. Now, how the IC is looking out? Okay, as I told you, the 14 pin, and the 14 pin. You may say that, you may observe, the IC, the diagram will be like this. Okay. Here there is a notch. In this notch there is one dot. Okay, from that dot, you have to assume the pin number 1. Okay. This pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Resistance. These pins should be equally parallel. Okay, the lines that is parallel to each pins. Okay. Here we will see write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. This 7 pin in IC. Suppose we take an example for the 7408. Okay, 7408, the pin number 7 that is used for the negative, and the 14 number pin it is used for the positive. Then rest of the pins remain here from 1 to 6 and from 8 to 13. There are different gates like this. It is being get connected in this manner. Okay, so in one IC there are 4 gates of the same type. The symbolical. According to the symbol, we will draw each and everything here. Likewise, the 2 gates are present at this one part. And since we may say that there are the 4 different gates here also and here also. The same thing is being used, but the symbol will be get changed according to the symbol and according to this particular name. 7432. Here you will be observing the OR gate. Here you will be connected to the OR gate, and this you may say that this IC is of an OR gate IC. But the pin, that is a negative pin and the positive pin will be get remain same. Okay, this negative pin and the positive pin for making the IC to be in a working condition, this positive and negative pin has to be get connected, and since you will be getting the output in pin number 3, pin number 6, pin number 8 and pin number 11. Okay. Likewise, the NOT gate. In this NOT gate, there are 6 gates. 7404. Here there is a 6th gate. That is NOT gate. That is pin number 1, pin number 2. Then pin number 3, pin number 4. Then pin number 5, then pin number 6. Likewise here also. The same system is being connected to this particular from the pin number 8 to pin number 13. Then from that gate, you will be saying that it is a 7404 IC consisting of 14 pin. Only the difference is that there are a 6 gate in one IC. That is a 7404. Now we will switch to the topic. That is a derived gate. As earlier I told you, that is it is nothing but it is called as a universal gate. Due to this particular universal gate, you may say that from the NAND gate and the NOR gate, we are able to design the AND or NOT, and since it is called as a derived gate, or also you may say that it is a universal gate. Now, this NAND gate, the symbol for the NAND gate, I will go for this one. The symbol will be look like this. First, we have to draw the AND gate, and just after the AND gate, one circle has to be get inserted. From this circle, you may say that it is A and B. The variables A and B, and here you will be getting the output, that is y is equal to something, and the logical equation for this y is equal to A dot B whole dot. Okay, this A dot B and the complement will give you the logical equation for the NAND gate. Now, from this particular logical equation, we have to design the truth table. It is very much simple, students. Now, what you have to do? First, you have to remember the AND gate truth table. Okay. So, I will write here AB y is equal to A dot B. Okay. Here again the 2 variables are there. That's why I told you here how the 2 variables we have to write down. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. As you know that the AND gate truth table, that is 0 0 you will be getting 0, 0 1 0, 1 0 0 and 1 1 1. only what you have to do, you have to make a complement of 0 and make a complement of 1. And the end you will be writing here. There is a bar. Instead of 0, you have to write down here as a 1. Here there is a 1. Here there is a 1. And wherever there is a 1, there is a value as a 0. So you may say that the truth table for the NAND gate, it is 001, 011, 101 and 110. Okay students. Now the IC which is used for the NAND gate, that is 7400. Again it is of a 14 pin IC. It is of a 14 pin IC. The symbolical representation I told you. According to this particular symbolical representation, the IC which is being used for this one will be look like this. Again it is of 14 pin IC. From the pin number 1 to pin number 7, the 7 number is grounded, that is a negative pin. Pin number 14 is the positive pin. Okay. Pin number 14 is the positive pin, and then from pin number 1 to 6, from pin number 1 to 6, the gates, this gate symbol is being introduced here, 1 2 3 and 4. So in the one IC there is a 4 gate. That 4 gate you have to draw in that particular IC. Then we will go for the NOR gate, the symbolical representation for the NOR gate. Very first you know the OR gate, how to draw. You draw the OR gate, and just in front of the OR gate, one circle has to be assumed, and the two variables, that is A and B, and Y is equal to, you will be getting the output. This Y is nothing but it is the output. So from this particular Y, you will be getting the logical equation. That logical equation is nothing but A plus B whole bar. Okay. This Y is equal to A plus B whole bar means in OR gate we have studied the A plus B. So whatever the truth table we have drawn for this particular OR gate, you will be getting the complement of that particular OR gate. So from looking from that particular OR gate, you are able to draw the table, that is A, B, Y is equal to A plus B whole bar. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. As you observe this one, 0, 0 you will be getting value as a 0. So the complement for that 0 is 1. And rest of all the values are 1. The complement for that particular one is nothing but it is 0. 0, 0 and 0. Okay. The IC which is used for the NOR gate, that is 7402. Again it is of 14 pin IC. Again it is of a 14 pin IC. This 14 pin, again in this format, if you use, the pin number 7 is a negative and pin number 14 is a positive. Then the pin number 1 to pin number 6, again the 2 gate is below and the 2 gate is upward. So again in that 14 pin IC, the 4 gate has been used. Okay. Now the concluding part we will start with the next. Okay, thank you.